This is your 7-minute reset for your mind, body, and soul. An optional hand position is simply circling the finger with the thumb. And let's begin. Hold your thumb. Your thumb harmonizes the attitude of worry. Also, if you're obsessing over anything. The organs it helps are the stomach and the spleen. And it helps with any skin surface project you may have. When you hold your thumb, you bring contentment back into your body, mind, and soul. Don't forget to take your deep breaths in and out. Now let's move to the next finger, the index finger. The index finger helps with any attitude of fear or anxiety. It helps your bladder and kidneys. And any blood essence projects you may have. When you hold your index finger, you bring balance back into your body, mind, and soul. Let's move to the next finger, the middle finger. Holding the middle finger helps with any attitude of anger or frustration, as well as impatience. The two organs it helps are the gallbladder and the liver. And for anyone that has any project with their muscles, such as soreness, being torn, or too much lactic acid, holding the middle finger will help resolve these projects. And holding the middle finger brings joy back into your body, mind, and soul. Moving on to the next finger, the ring finger. The ring finger helps us with the attitude of grief, sadness, as well as loneliness. The two organ flows it helps, large intestine and lung. And it helps with any deep skin projects. When you hold your ring finger, you bring gratitude back into your mind, body, and soul. Moving on to the next finger is the little finger. This attitude's all about pretense, trying too hard, as well as stage fright. The two organ flows are the small intestine and the heart. This finger helps with any skeleton projects. And this brings serenity back into your body, your mind, and soul. Next move is both hands, palms together, fingers together in prayer. This helps with the attitude of depression. And the two organ flows, it helps our umbilicus and diaphragm. And when you bring your palms together, it brings the source of life back into your body, mind, and soul. Now we move to the last position, placing the back of hands together. This brings your whole body back into harmony. Anyone with the project of diabetes, if you tap your back of your hands together, it will actually help with your sugar cravings and diabetes. Take a big inhale, exhale with sound. Inhale and exhale. Have your exhale longer than your inhale. Gives your body the opportunity to have the vagus nerves get stimulated so you're in parasympathetic. Enjoy.